Shed Model Project by Harry Salviso Velasquez, Engineer Architecture 2, Joliet Central High School, 2024 to 2025. First, we did some research on the zoning laws in Joliet. Maximum shed is 16 feet, minimum of 3 feet from the property line, must be under 120 square feet or will be considered a garage. Building permit goes for about $65 and takes about 15 days to process. The shed also cannot be in the front yard. Overview. We designed and modeled a shed. The shed project was a multi-step project. We learned about zoning laws, created working drawings for each wall and truss, built the walls, assembled. This project gave me an insight into the process of designing and building buildings and the type of information needed to construct a building and how much material will be needed. CAD drawings. To start off this project, I went into AutoCAD and created drawings for the side walls, rear wall, and front wall, with a door and a window, and then trusses. Each stud was 2 inches and 16 inches off center. Supplies: 11 by 7 cardboard, CAD drawings, pins, X-Acto knife, box cutter, wax paper, tape, glue, and balsa wood. I grabbed one of my CAD drawings and taped it to the piece of cardboard. I then taped my wax paper over the drawing. I started to measure the studs, headers, sole plates, and top plates. I then glued, and as I glued, I started to pin the wood to each other. I let it dry. I had 2 side walls, 1 front wall, 1 rear wall, and 6 trusses. Construction. A 12 by 12 piece of cardboard is needed to start assembling. I glued the side, rear, and front walls. I made sure they were squared, and as I glued, I made sure to pin them down. I then added a top plate to connect the side walls with the front and rear wall. I added trusses with a spacing of about 1.25 inches. Final results. Reflection. I learned how to use AutoCAD to create working drawings. I learned to manage material and not waste or overuse materials. I learned that it was best to pin the wood as you glue. My favorite part of this project is building each wall and assembling the shed. Here's a short video of the assembly and all the process of constructing the side walls and the trusses. Thank you. I want to give a thank you to my teacher, Mr. West, for supplying the material and equipment to complete this project, as well to my classmate, Isabella Sandoval, for providing feedback on my project. Thank you for watching.